If you're struggling to find a product to sell on Amazon, here's a few resources that you can use. Utilize social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. The reason why you do this is people are promoting products constantly on these channels. So what you do is you scroll around until you find sponsored products. Once you find those sponsored products, you like, share, comment, and click on the link. This will help those social media platforms to push more products to you. Rebate sites like Rebate, Key, Rebate, different places like that. The reason why these people are trying to generate sales and possibly reviews through these sites. So a lot of times you can find a product, go search it on Amazon, and find that it's a great market to go into. Lastly, Fiverr. But I don't always recommend this resource. The reason why is because you can hire people to find products to sell on Amazon for you. The thing that I've found is they typically give those products to multiple different sellers. So they may take one product over a month period and give it to every single person, but they give you 3 different products. So it can become very competitive really quickly with those. Follow for more resources on how to find products to sell on Amazon.